Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to play ambient music right from your iPhone lock screen. Playing ambient music directly from your iPhone lock screen is a simple yet powerful way to create a calm and relaxing atmosphere anytime, anywhere. Whether you are winding down after a long day, focusing on your work, or trying to sleep better, having quick access to soothing sounds without unlocking your device makes the experience seamless. With built in controls and an easy access feature, your iPhone lets you play ambient music effortlessly right from the lock screen. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get started, you have to bring up the lock screen on your iPhone by pressing the power button or swiping down from the top of the screen. Then you have to long press on the screen to bring up the wallpaper gallery. Then you can swipe left or right to find the preferred wallpaper and hit the customize button located at the bottom. Then you have to hit the minus button at the top of the control you would like to get rid of. Then you have to hit the plus button. Then you have to head over to the ambient music section and choose the desired options such as sleep, chill, productivity, or well-being. And finally, you have to hit the done button located at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and you are all set. From now on, whenever you want to play your favorite ambient music, bring up the lock screen and hit the ambient music button. And that's about it. With just a few simple taps, your iPhone lock screen can become your personal gateway to tranquility. By taking advantage of its convenient music controls, you can play, pause, or switch ambient tracks without interrupting your flow. Once you get used to it, you'll find it's one of the easiest ways to keep relaxing sounds at your fingertips whenever you need them. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it to get rid of the annoyance and focus on the task at hand. And I'll catch you up in the next one.